Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Shopify customer tags with Klaviyo, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update Shopify customer tags with Klaviyo, begin by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the Integrations tab in the left-hand menu. Find and select the Shopify integration from the list. If you haven't already connected your Shopify store, do so by clicking the Connect to Shopify button. Enter your Shopify store URL and follow the prompts to authorize the integration. Once connected, click on the Lists and Segments tab in the left menu. Create a new list for customers you want to tag, or select an existing list. To create a new list, click the Create List/Segment button. Give your new list a descriptive name and save it. Next, navigate to the Profiles section to view individual customer profiles. Select a profile of a customer you want to tag. On the Profile page, look for the Tags section. Click Add Tag to begin adding a tag to this customer. Enter the desired tag name in the provided field. Save the tag to update the customer's profile. To automate the tagging process, go to the Flows tab in the left menu. Click on Create Flow to start a new automation. Choose Create from Scratch or select a pre-existing flow template. Search for Add a Tag and select it from the action options. Configure the tag you wish to add to customers when they enter this flow. Save and activate your flow to automate the tagging process for new customers. You can monitor any tag updates in the Profiles section for accurate tracking. Repeating these steps allows you to manage customer tags efficiently. With proper setup, Klaviyo will now manage tagging for your Shopify customers automatically. This process enhances your marketing efforts and allows for more personalized communication. You are now ready to update customer tags using Klaviyo effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.